Okay, exercise 8.3, problem 6, discussion. Let's read the problem. The radius of a solid sphere is 24 cm. It is melted and drawn into a long wire of uniform cross section. Find the length of the wire if its radius is 1.2 mm. Okay, so let's mark what is given. The radius of the solid sphere is 24 cm. Okay, this is melted and drawn into a long wire, okay, of uniform cross section, and the radius of the wire is 1.2 mm. Right, let's list out. The radius of cylinder is 1.2 mm. I'm changing it here. See, wire is in the form of a cylinder. Okay, though it is thin, it is basically a cylinder. Okay, and the radius of the solid sphere is given as 24 cm. Okay. Next, what are we asked to calculate? We are asked to calculate the length of the wire. We are asked to calculate the length of the wire. That is nothing but length of the cylinder. Okay, that or otherwise it's the height of the cylinder which we need to calculate. So that is what is in this given in this problem. Okay, let's write the formula. Volume of the cylinder is pi r squared h. Okay, in this case we want to calculate basically we want to calculate h, but that's not possible because volume of the cylinder is not known. Next, we are given radius of the sphere, so let's write the formula. Volume of the sphere, that can be calculated because the radius is known and the volume of the sphere can be calculated. But you have to note it is melted, that is, sphere was melted and drawn a wire, which means volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder equal to volume of the sphere, because sphere was melted and the cylinder, that is a wire, is formed here. Okay, so which means both the volumes are equal, or pi r squared h equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So in this equation only h is not known, which means we should be able to calculate it. Got it? So first step, let h be the length of the wire. Let's assume that. Next, that is a very important step. Convert the radius of the cylinder, basically wire, okay, from mm to centimeter. See, they are given the sphere as 24 centimeter and the radius of the wire is very thin, that's why they are given it as mm. So, for consistency, you have to convert this to centimeter. This is very important. If you miss this, the problem will go wrong. That is why I have made it as a separate step. Third step, equate the volume of the cylinder, that is the wire, to the volume of the sphere, that is pi r squared h equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and we know everything in this equation except h, so we should be able to calculate the height, which is nothing but the length of the wire. Okay, so there are two key steps. One, we have to convert this radius into mm, then calculate the volume of the sphere, equate that to the volume of the wire, which is a cylindrical in shape. Okay, then simplified, you will be able to get the length of the wire. Okay, now pause the video and try to work this problem on your own. After working, check your working against our solution. Okay, the solution. Radius of the cylinder is, basically it's a wire, as I told, it's a cylindrical in shape, so we are taking it as cylinder, is 1.2 mm, that is 12 by 100 centimeter. The radius of the solid sphere is 24 centimeter. Okay, let h be the length of the cylindrical wire. Okay, so volume of the cylinder equal to volume of the sphere, or pi r squared h equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So putting all these values, you will get pi into r is 12 by 100, 12 by 100 into h, we don't know, that is what we need to calculate, equal to 4 by 3 pi into radius of the sphere, which is 24. 24 into 24 into 24. Pi and pi will get cancelled. Okay, and then this 12 and 12 will go here 2 times. Okay, so height will be 2, 4 by 3 will keep it here as it is, 2 into 2, and 24 which is left out, and this 100 which is dividing here will come up 100 into 100. Okay, this on multiplication will get this big number but this is in centimeter. It's too long. What we can do is that we'll convert that into meters. For the conversion, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter and 1000 meter is 100 centimeter. So it is 1 followed by 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Basically, it is 100,000, 1 lakh. So 1 kilometer is 1 lakh centimeter. So all you need to do is you have to shift the decimal 6 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes 1.28 kilometers. I'm sorry. This is a mistake. I think it's 1.28 kilometers. Okay. Thanks for watching.